E from marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And it's about 20 after 11, 27th of August, 2019. All right, anybody had a trailer for that 78? Good for you. We can go at any low in this swing. We are obviously testing support, normal support from this high to this relationship. I like to make sure paid by 77. And we just showed you why in the last video. And then if we go back and look at our weekly chart, we're matching that up with this level right here. And we can go to any day low today. We've rejected, obviously, the psychology area. We've lost the 88. Still a lot of time left in the day. And we've come back into this box. So obviously the next box is our support box for now. And it's a profit-taking swing from the longs. And obviously the next question for greedy traders is, well, can we get to test the lows? Well, of course, but will we? Here's the question. In this circle right here, and we are back to that notion, all important, 65 area as support. And this is a big boy in this trade right now that says, I want to use up the range today. Anybody that is short side paid by 11:30. Primary trade is down. It's a contra until the low goes. And the last 15 minutes have trapped. Notice how it was gentle, 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 and then bang. And yesterday we had this last spike up, and then we had the pullback low that held these lows down here. And this whole thing was all fluff. And then overnight, same thing. Stop run on the shorts. .30 range. Angel test is 71.5, paid for sure by 72s. If you had trailers in here. Should be profit-taking time. Just risk and reward. So that overnight range looked like it would never end. We get our psychology stop, and we've come back in and had a good, healthy pullback. This last 15, 20 minutes have, for those that have trailers, this is where you really can add up your account. To bite, hang on a minute, see if we can get below 82, paid for sure, if you've got a trailer, and the next target 78, and then the 72s. Range day, 2-way day. And if you've had a good run, keep it. That was our 30. And that was our 60. Remember we looked at the 60 and I said, I want to know where the resistance is, but I also want to know the support lines coming up. So that retest and failure. Helpful chart. And I considered normal support right here, just as normal resistance is going to be back here. And you get your last couple of levels, you really got to work hard to break normally. All right, we've had a good morning. If you took a few of the trades as a regression trade, hard, hard, hard. You can see the tails coming up at you saying, no, no. And then the capitulation move in the last 15, 20 minutes. Sideline. Don't have to be in the market all day long. If you want to trade, you got to use your low of your day as your stop for a buy, for a continuation trade, but we're still going to keep that 88 now as a key idea going forward. So 68, 67 support for now. And that 88 resistance still broken.